Hello, Math No Problem learners. Welcome to Chapter 1, Lesson 4, Using Place Value. Our in focus question today provides us with this picture. And in this picture, we're given a little bit of information. We've got some cherries, either single cherries. We have cherries that have been grouped into tens. We have cherries that are on flats, each one worth 100 cherries. And then we have these stacks of pallets in which we would have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000 cherries. Our question is, how can we count the number of cherries? You can pause this video right now to do the in focus question with a partner or on your own to think of what are the different ways that we might use to count the number of cherries in this picture. Okay, welcome back, learners. Let's take a look at some of the ways in which we might count the number of cherries in this diagram. Well, first of all, one way might be to use place value blocks. Here I see in my diagram, I have 2 thousands cubes, I have 3 hundreds flats, I have 4 tens rods, and I have 5 ones cubes. That might be one way that we count the number of cherries. I might also use my place value discs. 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 5 ones, and add them together. I could demonstrate with my place value chart and my own discs to show 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. I could also use expanded notation where I think about my 2,000s, my 300s, 4 tens, 5 ones, 2,000, 300, 4 tens, 5 ones. I could use my place value chart. 2,000, 300s, 4 tens, 5 ones. The digit 2 will be in the thousands place. It stands for 2,000s. The digit in the hundreds place is 3. It stands for 300s. The digit in the tens place is 4 tens. It stands for 40. And the digit in the ones place is 5 ones. It stands for 5. Let's look back at our textbook. The digit 2 is in the thousands place. It stands for 2,000. The digit 3 is in the hundreds place. It stands for 300. The digit 4 is in the tens place. It stands for 40. And the digit 5 is in the ones place. It stands for 5. Now here's an interesting way to look at our number. We could use expanded notation again, expanding our number into the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. 2,345 is the same as it equals 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. We can also break this apart into its number bonds. 2,345. I might demonstrate that by taking my number, 2,345, and break it down into its thousands, 2,000, into its hundreds, 300, into its tens, 4 tens or 40, and into its ones, 5. $2,345 is a 4-digit number. 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, 4-digit number. We write 2,345 as 2,345.